Hello YouTube, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to another Balisong tutorial. And for this tutorial I'm gonna teach you guys another Balisong combo for beginner. And for this tutorial I'm gonna use my CD Balisong right here, and let's get started. And for the move gonna be like this. Check out the slow-mo. Alright, to begin the trick, you're gonna start with the safe handle, and you're gonna hold your safe handle like this, and then you're gonna throw your right handle to the right like that. Again, just throw your right handle to the left like that. And after this motion, prepare to put your index finger here on the back of the safe handle like that. And this open, and then put your index finger here on the back on the safe handle like that. After you get into this position, just let it roll. Just continue the motion and let it roll, and do just like backside index rollover like that. And then you gonna catch your safe handle with your index finger and then your thumb like this. Again, open, and then put your index finger in the back of the safe handle and let it roll, and then you're gonna catch the safe handle with your index and your middle finger like this. And after get into this position, just swing, by doing this motion like this, swing like that. From this position, I'm gonna hold like this, and then swing like that. Swing like this, and then after you do the swing like that, just continues the motion with thumb rollover like that. Again, like that, this position, swing, and then thumb rollover. So that's gonna give you the right handle, and you're gonna avoid the sharp side of the blade, so using a wrist pass, like that. And then after you avoiding the sharp side of the blade, set like that. And then after you're doing a wrist pass like that, just continue the wrist pass with index rollover like that. Alright, again like that, open, and then like that, swing. That's gonna give you the right handle, and then using a wrist pass, and continue the wrist pass with index rollover like that. So after you do index rollover, that's gonna give you the safe handle, so that's gonna give you the dual side of the blade. And after you get into this position, just doing a twist like that. Twist gonna be like this. You just forward like this, and then twist your safe handle. Again, going forward, and then twist your safe handle. So that's gonna give you this position, that you're gonna get into this position. And after you get into this position, just continue with thumb rollover and then doing wrist pass again I'm sorry, I mean vertical thumb rollover, and then yeah, after you get into this position, just do vertical index rollover like that. I'm sorry, that's gonna give you the byte handle, so you know, avoid that. Just doing always press and then close your balisong like that, and you're gonna end up your combos, and you're gonna end up on this open position like this. Alright, from the beginning the move gonna be like this. Like that. Alright, that pretty much for today's tutorial, guys, and thank you guys for watching. Peace.